When your Chevy Malibu won't start due to a dead battery, following the correct jump-starting procedure is crucial, especially with advanced electrical systems in newer models. First, gather the essential equipment. You'll need jumper cables, preferably 2-gauge for better reliability, a working vehicle or portable jump starter, safety glasses, and gloves. Before connecting anything, perform these critical safety checks. Ensure both vehicles are turned off, parking brakes are engaged, and inspect the battery for any cracks, leaks, or damage. Now for the critical connection sequence. The order matters for safety. Step 1. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Step 2. Connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. Step 3. Connect the black cable to the negative terminal of the working battery. Step 4. This is crucial for safety. Connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal surface on the Malibu, away from the battery. Never connect directly to the negative terminal. Now start the working vehicle and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. Then attempt to start the Malibu for no more than 15 seconds at a time, waiting 5 minutes between attempts if needed. Once both vehicles are running, disconnect the cables in reverse order. Remove the black cable from the ground first, then from the working battery, followed by the red cable from the working battery, and finally from the previously dead battery. Following this exact sequence protects your Malibu's sensitive electronic systems and ensures safe jump starting. Remember, the connection order and grounding step are critical for both safety and preventing damage to modern vehicle electronics. Different Chevy Malibu model years have specific considerations when jump starting. For 2016 and newer models, the battery location and access requirements have changed. After jump-starting your Malibu, be prepared for system resets. Your radio and clock settings will likely reset, and adaptive transmission settings may need to relearn your driving patterns. Important: avoid jump-starting more than twice within 30 days. If you need to jump-start frequently, have your battery professionally tested to identify underlying issues. Modern portable lithium-ion jump starters are becoming the preferred solution. They eliminate the need for a second vehicle and include built-in safety features like reverse polarity protection. For your Chevy Malibu, choose a jump starter with 400 to 600 peak amp capacity. This ensures sufficient power to start your engine reliably. Regular battery maintenance prevents future jump starting needs. Inspect terminals and battery case monthly for signs of corrosion or damage. Have your battery load tested annually after 3 years of use. Regular voltage checks during oil changes should show 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off and 13.8 to 14.4 volts when running. Extreme temperatures significantly impact battery life and performance. Cold weather can reduce battery capacity by 30 to 40%, while excessive heat accelerates chemical breakdown inside the battery. Garage parking, when possible, provides the best protection from temperature extremes. Regular driving, at least weekly, helps maintain battery charge and prevents sulfation from extended periods of inactivity.